Alright, what's up guys, it's Gio Cars and welcome back to another video. As you can see, the summer weather is coming. I think my last video I made, I actually updated you guys on the current grass situation. Much more green now, much nicer. And I can't even explain how happy I am to be making videos again for you guys. It's a hard winter in Chicago with all the fast cars and everything. But first, I have to show you guys something. I'm gonna bring you in my house right here and we've got a special surprise to show you. So, you guys have probably seen before, my little dog right here. We've had this dog for a while, her name's Winnie. Now if you come in here, who is this? Oh, he's probably gonna run away now. So this is our new Black Lab mix. We got him, he was a rescue dog. I think he's gonna run away from me. But we just got him as a rescue dog the other day. Hey, Willie. So the funny thing is, hey, come here, buddy. So that's Winnie right there, right? She's an 8-year-old boxer that we got. And this is Willie. He's a little black lab. We just got him about 3 or 4 days ago on my sister's birthday. And man, he is too cute. I know this channel's about Mustangs, man, but can we all enjoy this little puppy for a second? Hey, Willie, Willie. Yeah, I don't think he knows his name yet, but Willie, come here. Hey, buddy. What's up? I've got a lot to talk about today. I'm gonna get these two little guys back in the house before I start the video. Hey, guys, Willie, Willie. Man, this dog doesn't know his name yet, man.
Willie, come here.
Willie. Oh, he's done. He's out. There's honestly just a lot of good things happening with summer weather. Everybody gets happier, things come back. I'm gonna show you in a second. And it's just awesome. I mean, obviously you guys know, a lot of you guys probably live in areas like I do, where it's pretty shitty for the whole winter. End of summer, you got the whole winter, you got spring, which is pretty rainy. That's actually why I'm trying to make this video pretty quick, because after this we're expecting some rain here in Chicago. But I'm super happy, man. Things are going good. I can't wait to actually hook in my car, which I have been, and we'll take a ride in a second. But there's an OG car on my channel. Can you guys guess it? It's one that's kind of built my channel and been pretty popular on here. And I feel wrong if I don't show her. So here she is, the OG Mach. Oh wait, that's my sister's big, it's a pretty cool truck, but it's not the Mach 1. Here she is back. My brother has come back from college. He actually got a job. I'm gonna adjust this brightness. My brother got a job working in Chicago in the city. We actually live in a suburb, obviously, of Chicago. My brother just got a job working in the city, so he's gonna be there all summer, but he brought her back. He's probably gonna buy some nice car. I don't know, he's doing big things out there, man. He's bowling out there. She's probably gonna be getting something pretty nice. But he brought the Mach 1 back, obviously. I don't know if he's gonna actually take it to the city, which would kind of be a shame to see this thing out there. But she's looking good. I mean, both the Mach 1 and the GT, even this thing, pretty much all our cars need a wash. But it is nice to see her back. She's looking good as always. I love when this car comes back. My favorite thing about it is this Ford Racing decal, which, by the way, a lot of you guys has asked me. I have no idea where we got it. I think the guy that owned it before us put it on custom. But yeah, it's awesome to see this car back. I mean, this little cockpit is where so many of my videos were filmed. It's nice to see her back. I'll get some videos on her very soon, obviously. We actually want to do a video with the Mach, the GT, and the other Mach that's lying in that garage. But yeah, let's take a ride in my GT, man. I mean, obviously this is more my car. My brother's is right behind her. I think we gotta do some updates on this bad boy, man. It's been a while. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of stopped right here in the middle of this video. I think this would be a pretty cool picture. Damn bush hanging out. Can I? Yep, okay, I'm gonna do that right after this, put on my Instagram. Follow me at Gio Cars. So with all that blabbering out of the way, let's hop in the GT, take a ride. I'm gonna show you guys some updates on her. I think it's pretty much the same as last time. I remember my last video, too long ago, by the way, was made on my new quarter-mile time. So I ran, obviously, I ran a 13.1, I think it was 13.18 at 107 miles an hour. I'm really into drag racing. It's actually awesome to see my friend Derek Band Productions doing it as well. There's a lot of YouTubers that are going to the drag race, and I mean, I've been going to them all my life, never ran my car till last year, and I'm gonna tell you, it's really addicting. If you've got anything that you think's got some acceleration, whether it is or isn't, honestly, it's a great way to see exactly how fast your car is compared to other people's. It's super fun, it's legal racing, it is, I wanna go right now I'm talking about it. But so we're working on that, getting this thing a little bit faster, and obviously, I should probably do some suspension things coming up here. I've kinda got a lot of power, not a lot of putting the power down. But with that being said, we have been gripping extremely well. Obviously, I went my whole entire winter out here in Chicago with my Hankook 255 summer tires, which was definitely a bad idea. There's no arguing that. We were pretty bad in the snow, and there were some close calls. Obviously, you guys know about this situation if you haven't seen that video, where I couldn't stop in time in my garage with the snow. So basically, the summer tires are in their natural habitat now. I've got some great grip. We'll do some pulls out there. And another big change is I'm going to start my car. My mic is on the auto setting, so you're not actually going to hear it as loud as it is, because the mic kind of adjusts for loudness. So it's like, whoa, that's too loud, bro. Too loud of an exhaust. He turns it down, the mic, and then whatever. But I've actually taken put the cats back on. So as you guys know, I have the straight pipe GT It was pretty well known around here, and on YouTube it's gotten 190,000 views on the video of it, and it is fun. I'm gonna tell you guys that right now, but it's too much for the street. I think once I get headers on this car, which I'll talk about in this video, it will be nice, but right now I'm running the muffled elite, so please don't hate me. She's gonna be quiet. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick that up, but
is normal.
I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but the difference when I went from a stock exhaust to only a muffled elite was pretty significant. It got a lot louder, which is what it sounded like now. So it was a lot louder than stock, but when I went from the muffled elite only to catless as well, the difference of just taking the caps off was immense. It was massive, and the car was so loud. I was literally scaring the shit out of myself when I was driving my own car. Like, I knew when I was gonna get on the gas, and I was like scared of the car. Obviously I got used to it. I ran it the whole winter for about 6 or 7 months, but it's really not worth it with my driving record and stuff. I don't need anything else, and I don't want to be that 13-second car that sounds like an NHRA car, but it's not that fast, where it's really loud. So yeah, anyways, let's take a ride in this thing. I'm gonna drive it around. You guys can see it like the old school videos, and we got some stuff to talk about.